What's good, y'all? Not the real Will Smith, and I just made my first purchase today. But not just any purchase, I bought protein. And just not any protein, man. I bought Herbalife protein. And I bought it from my best bud in the world. Look at Karina right here. She's a brand new. Tell them what you are because I don't know the analytics. I'm learning. I just buy stuff because I like it.
I am a brand new wellness coach. I want to help people better their wellness and better their health, not just for their bodies, but for their mental as well and their spirituality.
Health is wealth.
Yes, health is wealth, and it's going down, y'all. So within the next 3 weeks or so, I want to have 5 to 7 people come join me in my wellness experience, lose 8 to 25 pounds. I want to get results right away, and we're going to get it done.
Yes, tell them your social media, your Facebook, your
Follow
Instagram.
me on social media, Jasmine Norman, that's on Instagram. And
Tell them
Facebook.
the underscores and stuff too, because they were asking me and they were confused.
_Norman, that's Facebook and Instagram, and on Snapchat, you can follow me at Jasmine_Norman.
There you go. See, it's not only about me. We got to make sure that the people in your circle are well taken care of too. So invest in their wealth just like they invest in you. And it's going to be an everlasting circle as to where you're not doing something tick for tack. You're doing it because you genuinely care about the individuals that's in your life. So remember that. Hey, this is a short video. Love y'all. Wait, not yet. She said bye. Peace, for real. We out here in Walmart. Michaela, she got me in the makeup section, y'all. I'ma show y'all. I'm a professional. So this right here is what she used. This luminous dry oil. It's when her face is dry, right? I think. And then, bro, I'm a professional. I got you. Period, Winnie. She be saying period, poo, and I don't say poo. Yo, the Rebel gel right here is when you feeling a little frisky and you trying to be a fucking, like a soldier. So she puts this gel on her face to make her like look mean. To look mean. And then this right here is when she looking a little like Coco-ish, but if she really want to be like a bad Winnie, that's what she do right there. Code names. I stink though. Can y'all smell me on the camera? I worked out. There's a tornado watch today, y'all. This ain't much of a video. I just want to holler at y'all for a little bit because it's been a while since we went out to Import Alliance in Kentucky. But anyways, we got a meet coming up this Saturday. So by the time you guys see this, I will already be at the meet on Saturday because this will be probably going up tomorrow or tonight. Depends on how I feel because I'm an old ninja. Old young ninja. Old. Y'all listen to that, Mr. Organic. Nah. Anyways, this stuff right here, my niece used to have, and she used to put that on her eyelashes. I don't know what it's called. What's this called?
Mascara.
Masquerade?
Mascara.
What's that?
For your eyelashes.
Yeah, Masquerade. I mean, it's about Maybelline. Y'all remember them old commercials? I can't put it back. Sorry, Walmart. We're going to costumes now. Look what happened? Oh, what the hell? Oh, this fire right here. I got you. Bro, you can wear this. You kind of short. What? Who got the bigger muscles? Don't talk about my mans like that. Bro, we gotta go to Party City because they don't have stuff for adults here.
Oh shoot, I thought that was you.
No, I thought this was one of your wigs.
No, I can't do me. Don't do me. Do not do me.
Here, come ride your pony.
Where? I look crazy. I like somebody crackhead mama.
You got a kid for Halloween?
Yeah.
Damn, what's his name? Toby?
Kevin.
Oh, this nigga white. Oh. I can't find what I want. Oh, yes.
Oh, no, it's just a plane. Oh, my God. You did say get a wheel. There we go.
You said get a wheel.
Yeah. Wow.
How is this me when this is somebody's daughter?
Look. No, the damn donkey.
Oh, chomp, chomp. Don't come for me. Here, I'm gonna get you a toy for being so good. Come here. Come here. Baby shark, baby. Bro, yeah, I don't even got my selfie stick. This wasn't even planned. I said, let me just go and record. Alright, they don't got what I want. We gotta go. Let me show y'all what I bought real quick. The Ninja Snacks. Then legit oatmeal. Hamburger helper, because I'm lazy. I like noodles and starch. This rice is fire. I got a rice cooker. I'm cheap.
Thanks for your service, young man.
Oh, you're welcome. I got just the shirt on. Sorry, I'm on video right now. You're on the video too.
Well, thanks.
Oh,
But
he said thank
thanks for
you.
your service.
Absolutely, thank you. All right. Oh wow, he peeped the old army shirt. That's fire. Anyways, y'all, that some of the stuff in here is not mine. That's her stuff. I don't eat hot sauce. Be on fire.
Period.
Period, Winnie.
Period, boo.
All right, bye. Yo, I was just playing with her when I said I'm gonna let you drive the boat. She really gonna drive the boat.
Period.
Pray for me and my baby. She gonna kill us. If you ever watch SpongeBob, it'd be that little fish, that old lady, and she's like, "You trying to kill us?" No. Hey, bro, she don't even know how to put a seatbelt on.
Okay, how I put it in?
Oh my God.
How I put
Why
it
is the
in
AC on?
How do I put it in?
I'm scared.
How do I do it?
All right, look. You good? You Gucci? Fit?
Good. I'm good.
Make
What I
sure
do?
it's in.
What I do?
It's a switch back here, y'all. That's remote, so I had to cut off for her. It's like, yeah, I can't see it, but it's in here. It's a switch, but she don't even be touching it.
Okay, what I do? Push this?
Put your hand, no, grab it like that. Push down. Hold it on
How
the
do I
brake.
know if it's in
Reverse. You let off the gas. Let off the brake. You'll feel it catch.
Oh shit.
One more. It's neutral. Give it some gas. Step on it. I say no, it's in neutral. Now put it. No, put it back down. It's okay. It's a security thing, so no one can drive it if this isn't on there.
Oh, that's smart.
Yes.
Okay, push it down.
One
Push it
more.
down again.
Now it's in drive. You feel it?
Yeah.
Now drive.
Okay.
Feel me?
I'm not yet anyway.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Okay.
It's not even fast. You gonna let me drive the Mercedes?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's dry out here. I want to drive it around the block.
I ain't gonna do
No, I'm scared as hell. I'm good.
What's that beeping?
It's my seatbelt.
Put your seatbelt on, Will.
Let me drive the boat.
Shit. Why the hell is your car? You know what?
Bro, why are you scared? Oh, sorry guys.
Seatbelt on. Okay, where am I going?
Make a left.
Wait, left. Okay.
Oh my gosh, man.
You ain't got no. Oh my fucking god!
She didn't cut the light on, y'all. Look. Oh my. This speed bumps. Cut your lights on.
How I cut them off? Wait, hold on.
Turn, twist. One more.
That's all.
There you go. Oh.
Turn this heat off. It's making me nervous.
Why is she taking these speed bumps like I got a truck? Oh my God.
I'm slow as hell. That's your car. I got
Speed
nothing
bump
to
right
do
there.
with
Slow down. There you go. Take your time. Yes, child.
Well, get
Yes,
there.
child. Make a right.
Why are you making a right for?
Why are you making a left for it? There's a car right there.
To get on the
Oh my
highway.
God. Right.
This is right, right?
Right,
This is
keep
a right.
going.
Right, shut up.
Do you not know your right from your left? The other right then.
I don't like your car.
You don't like it.
I like your car.
Don't give it no gas either.
Don't give it gas?
Nope.
Why not?
God said so.
Shut the fuck
Give it gas. Give it gas.
up. Well,
She's scared.
well, I'm broke. It's a low joke, so. Okay, hold on, wait.
Drive, girl.
I can't see!
Why can't you see?
because I got the glasses.
Oh, you can't see.
Hello.
Oh, pull over.
Which way I'm going? Wait.
Oh my
Hold on.
gosh, make a right.
Right.
Oh my gosh, are you looking at?
Over.
Are you looking? Oh my gosh.
Wait, yeah, I'm looking.
Oh, let me look, guys. She good. And
I got this right. I got this fool.
yeah, it's a running wheel.
Am I about to go on the highway?
No, you want to stop before the highway, bro.
I can make a turn on them.
Yes, you can make a. It's a slip. Give it a little bit of gas. She felt the tire slip, y'all. Like I was telling her, she don't know how to get a car. Gradual power. That's how I know you drive heavy, because you shouldn't have been spinning no tires like that.
Listen.
In 5 miles an hour.
Shut up. I really can drive though.
I hear you.
I'm really a race car driver out here.
Not in my car.
where am
Make a
I?
right here.
Oh no, I can't get on the highway. I can't see.
And go straight.
I got this. Your name really is cool. Honestly.
Start it up, girl. Rev it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Rev it. Okay. Do it again. Stop being scared, girl.
Well, I am scared.
Alright, that's fine. Sound good, because it's a little cold. It is cold. I ain't trying to. Sorry, you in a picture.
Sorry. I am. You take me out because I look crazy.
They're not worried about you.